And this training exercise involves live ammunition. Ahead of next month's G7, officers have been demonstrating how they'll respond to what they call hostile situations. They've also given an insight into their policing capability in the skies. And the G7 at Carbis Bay next month will be the biggest policing operation Devon and Cornwall have ever been involved in. They'll have more than 6,500 police staff on duty, more than 5,000 of these from forces across the country. And they say demonstrations like today will help to reassure people in the two counties and also hopefully put off those planning to cause problems.
You know, there's a multitude of times that firearms could be used, but it's at the very, very severest of threats. And we're really lucky, in Devon and Cornwall, we don't generally see too much of that. So you may see police officers with weapons, but again, as I said, they're police officers, so their core function is to work as a police officer, so they'll be approachable. You can speak to them like you would any other police officer, but if we needed to use their skills, then they are available for us. So yes, it is a great reassurance for the public.
What we have here is our operational vehicle that we utilise at drone deployments. It allows us to provide a video to officers that can gather around the back of the vehicle and see what we're seeing. It's able to withstand 33, 34 mile an hour winds. It's able to fly in the rain, which is a real jump up for us, particularly given our changeable weather down here in Devon and Cornwall. And the capability of the zoom camera as well allows us to get eyes onto something without being particularly close, a real benefit in numerous situations.
So the airspace over the event, there will be restrictions during this short period of time. We've tried to minimise those restrictions, but the fact is there will be restrictions. We're not going to be concentrating on individual people. It's more for an overview for commanders when it comes to protest and other things that may crop up